Hello my dear students, welcome to our new science class. Today we'll review a very important topic. You may be wondering, how is that we have electricity to power your TV or to charge your iPad? The truth is, there is a process to generate electricity, sending it to the whole city and into your house. Today, we are going to talk about a very important facility needed to generate electricity. We call them dams. It is very interesting to know that when human beings invent and create something, they always try to look for natural models to see how they work. Finally, they come up with a brilliant idea for a new invention. One example of these are dams. Beavers are known for building lodges, canals, and dams. They built them in the middle of a stream or small body of water. They use branches and other materials to build them. They are their homes. In other words, they block the natural flow of water, leaving two sides, as you can see in the following picture. One day, an architect came up with the brilliant idea to build a wall that can block the natural flow of water to keep it on one side. They opened gates at will, so they can use the power of flowing water to generate electricity. A dam is a man-made structure built across a river. Most dams are built to control river flow, improve navigation, and regulate flooding. However, some dams are built to produce hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is produced as water passes through a dam and into a river below. The more water that passes through a dam, the more energy is produced. Once a dam is built, an artificial man-made lake is created behind the walls of that dam. Now, how does it work? Water flowing down a river is used to spin turbines inside a generator. Large rivers with fast-flowing water work the best. Dams open enormous gates, so as water falls down, they make these big turbines spin. As these turbines spin, electricity is produced and sent and stored to send it to the city through heavy wires connected to every single house. We say hydropower is clean. Why? Because it doesn't produce any greenhouse gases or other air pollution. It also doesn't generate any waste products that might need special handling or disposal. Because it's carbon-free energy, hydropower doesn't burn fossil fuels, which release the same amount of carbon dioxide as the annual exhaust at 62.2 million cars. That's half of the cars on US roads. Now, with the good comes the bad. Hydropower doesn't pollute the air, but large hydroelectric generating stations can damage the environment because the natural flow of water to the sea can sometimes be changed, which harm plants and animal communities along the way. Now, let me ask you a few questions so you can answer them in order for you to prove how much you learned today about dams. Are you ready? I know you are. Question number 1. Where do most inventors get new ideas to create new things? Inventors get many ideas from how nature works, the way animals behave, and what do they do in order to survive. Question number 2. What are dams? A dam is a man-made structure built across a river. Question number 3. Name some reasons why human beings build dams. Most dams are built to control river flow, improve navigation, and regulate flooding. However, some dams are built to produce hydroelectric power. Question number 4. Does water turn into electricity, or do dams use the force of falling water to generate it? Dams use the force of falling water to move big turbines under them to generate electricity. Question number 5. Why do we say hydropower is clean? We say hydropower is clean because it doesn't burn fossil fuels or contaminate the air like other ways of generating electricity do. Question number 6. What do you think are some disadvantages of building dams? Some disadvantages of building dams include changing the natural flow of rivers. This may cause some places to flood, affecting seriously the crops along the way and some animals. Well guys, that's it for today. And remember, it is not magic, it is science. See you later.